In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF document gallery in WordPress. If you've ever wanted to showcase PDF documents beautifully on your WordPress site, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, ensuring that you can present your content in a professional and attractive way. First, we need to make sure that your WordPress site is ready for action. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center, where all the magic happens. If you haven't logged in before, you can usually find the login page by adding WP admin to the end of your site's URL. Once you're in, it's time to install a plugin that will enable us to create a gallery specifically for PDF files. Head over to the Plugins section on the left menu, and click on Add New. In the search bar on the right, type in PDF Embedder. This plugin allows you to embed and display PDF files elegantly on your site, and it's crucial for our gallery. Once you've located it, go ahead and click Install Now. After a few moments, the button will change to Activate. Click that as well to set the plugin live. With the plugin activated, let's create a new page where our PDF gallery will reside. Navigate to Pages on the left sidebar, and then click Add New. Here, you can give your page a relevant title such as PDF Gallery. This title will serve as the heading when users navigate to this part of your website. Now that the page is set, it's time to upload the PDF files you wish to include in your gallery. Click on the Add Media button located just below the page title. In the window that opens, switch to Upload Files and simply drag and drop your PDF files here. Alternatively, you can click the Select Files button to browse and upload them from your computer. Once the files are uploaded, they'll appear in your media library. Return to the page editor and now let's integrate those PDFs. Using the PDF embedder, you can easily add each PDF to your page. For each file, click on it in the media library to see its details on the right, then click Insert into Page. This will place the PDFs directly into your page, using the plugin to display them beautifully. Now it's time to customize your gallery page layout. You might want to consider organizing your PDFs in a neat and user-friendly way. You can add headings or descriptive text between the PDFs for more context or guidance to your viewers. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click the Publish button on the top right to make your gallery live. That's it. You've successfully created a PDF document gallery in WordPress. Now visitors to your site can view or download your PDFs in an organized and visually appealing manner. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating!